We know that travel insurance may seem like just one more cost, and many visitors ask why buying travel insurance and why get travel insurance. 1. You need emergency assistance services. You and your parents have planned a trip to their home country, but on your way, the train is cancelled for mechanical repairs. You don't speak the language. Who can help you locate alternative transportation? With trip insurance you'll have emergency assistance services. The service agents will recover your non-refundable fees, then locate and pay for transportation to get you where you want to be. 2. Your passport is lost. You are at a conference in London, and you realize you left your passport at a local restaurant. With coverage for lost passports, you'll have help expediting the process of replacing and paying for a new passport. 3. You need an emergency medical evacuation. You and your daughter have planned a summer tour of Mont Blanc, but high in the mountains your daughter is overcome with dizziness and a dangerously high fever. She needs immediate medical attention. How will you get her to safety? With medical evacuation coverage, you can arrange safe transportation to a medical facility. Medical evacuations typically cost tens of thousands of dollars, but with trip insurance you won't break the bank to save your daughter. 4. You get sick or injured on your trip. You and your friends have planned a hiking trip to climb Machu Picchu since college. After your first night in Lima, you wake with severe stomach pains and a high fever. You cannot start your hike. Instead, you need emergency medical care and quick. With travel medical coverage, you won't be paying a huge medical bill. You'll also have assistance services in your own language to locate a suitable medical facility and arrange transportation. 5. Your baggage is delayed or lost. Your special day has finally arrived, a wedding at a beachside resort. Unfortunately, the airline made a mistake and your baggage will be delayed. Luckily you've got the dress and the rings, but what about your other clothes, shoes, toothpaste, and personal items? With coverage for delayed bags, you can relax. The service hotline will help you recover your bags. You'll also be reimbursed for the essential items you need to start enjoying your trip. Or, you are required to speak at a business conference in Las Vegas, but somewhere in transit, your baggage is lost. Your presentation is tomorrow, how will you get ready in time? With coverage for luggage that is lost, stolen, or damaged, you'll be reimbursed for new clothes and personal items. You can even get reimbursed for a suitcase so you can take your new stuff home. 6. A hurricane damages your destination. You saved all year for a summer vacation to Aruba, but a hurricane destroys the hotel a week before you depart. Will you lose all the money you worked so hard to save? With travel insurance protection for weather damage, you'll be able to recover your prepaid costs. Travel assistance services will also help you arrange a vacation at a new location one the hurricane missed. 7. A terrorist event occurs. You've planned an excursion to Egypt for years, but weeks before leaving a terrorist attack occurs. The airports are closed and Egypt is in chaos. It would be unwise to travel now, but will you lose all your non-refundable fees? With terrorism coverage, you can cancel your trip without losing all the money you've spent. 8. You need to cancel your trip. What happens if someone gets sick and can't travel, a parent dies, you're required to work, or your house floods? With trip cancellation coverage, you'll be able to recover your out-of-pocket expenses for these covered reasons and more. 9. You miss your connection. You've planned a cruise but you discover the connecting flight to get to the ship is delayed. With a missed connection it looks like you will miss your cruise departure. How will you catch up to the ship? With missed connection coverage, you can take another flight to catch the ship at the next port of call. You'll also have assistance services to help you arrange and pay for those travel changes. 10. Your flight is cancelled. After attending the family reunion, you arrive at the airport to return home and are told tornadoes have cancelled all flights through Dallas. Who will help you find a new flight to return home? With trip interruption coverage, you'll have the money to refund the expenses of a new return ticket or to stay in a comfortable hotel.
Thank you for watching. Please comment on videos,